What's up, guys? This is a step-by-step tutorial on how you can easily transfer photo and video files from your iPhone to your Windows PC. The first thing you want to do is open up your Microsoft Store. Once you are in your Microsoft Store, all you need to do is search for iTunes. Open up the first app that shows. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. Once you have your iTunes opened, all you need to do is go to your iPhone. Now get your charging cable and plug it into your PC. Once you connect it, you should see the name of your iPhone at the top of your iTunes app. You can just close up all those. Now, a dialog should come up on your iPhone saying trust this computer with a question mark, and all you need to do is put in your password. And now you should be able to access the files on your iPhone. We don't really need the iTunes app, so you can just minimize that. And on your file explorer, your Apple iPhone should show up. So you can see the internal storage now. All you need to do is open it up by double clicking. And in these folders, you will see your photos and videos. They are scattered around in no particular order, so you need to check each folder to see the particular video or photo that you are looking for. And all you need to do when you find your desired photo or video is right click on it and copy it and paste it in your desired location. You can just use the shortcut Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, and it should bring up a dialog showing that it's being copied into the desired folder. This is the whole step-by-step process you need to be able to transfer files such as your pictures and videos from your iPhone to your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like for more content like this.